Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and hearty dish, beef stew. Now, let's break down the key ingredients and steps to make this mouth-watering meal. First, let's talk about the beef cuts. For this recipe, we'll be using beef brisket, which is a flavorful and tender cut. Next, let's move on to the vegetables. We'll be using black beans, which are a great source of fiber and protein. And of course, we can't forget the bamboo shoots, which add a unique crunch and texture to the stew. Now, let's talk about the spices. We'll be using a special blend called Krangsangan spice mix, which is a traditional Thai spice mix. It's a perfect blend of spices that adds a delightful flavor to the stew. To start, heat some oil in a pot and add the beef brisket. Cook the beef until it's browned on all sides, then remove it from the pot. In the same pot, salt the garlic, shallots, and ginger. Once they're fragrant, add the Krangsangan spice mix and cook for a few minutes. Next, add the beef back into the pot, along with the bamboo shoots and black beans. Pour in enough water to cover the ingredients and bring the stew to a boil. Reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for about an hour or until the beef is tender. And there you have it, a hearty and flavorful beef stew that's perfect for a cozy meal. Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out. Thank you for joining us today. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!